going on? What's up? Huh? What's up with you? What's up?
Are you authorized to fly a drone here?
What?
Are you authorized to fly a drone here?
Authorized by who?
You can't fly a drone inside the construction zone. There's a sign over here.
Where's the law say that? That's
Point
not.
your camera to the sign.
That's not a law. That's just something that the bridge company put up.
All right, sounds good.
But why are you flying a drone? Yeah.
Thank you.
Why are you flying a drone?
None of your business.
Is that your drone that you're not looking at up there?
That's a company.
But why aren't you looking at it?
That's a company drone.
But you don't have no line of sight. You're talking to me, you're not looking at your drone.